Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Jamaican music industry is mourning the loss of two reggae pioneers. Veteran reggae singer and songwriter Bob Andy died today. The singer, who was 76 years old, had reportedly been ailing for some time. In a press release, Culture Minister Olivia Grange expressed sadness at Bob Andy's passing, noting that he was one of the best songwriters Jamaica has ever produced. Meanwhile, Delroy Washington also passed away this morning at the St. Mary Hospital in London. The 68-year-old singer-songwriter, who suffered from diabetes, died from the coronavirus. E-Prime offers our sincerest condolences. Now, local flavors for international collaboration. Grammy-nominated artists Chronixx and TVJ have infused reggae and dancehall for the remix of Alicia Keys' hit single Underdog. The Grammy-winning singer shared on Instagram a video of Chronixx, TVJ and herself in the studio, noting that the meeting was in February before social distancing was prominent due to COVID-19.
You might it just create a new energy, you know? Yeah. And then when you get crowded, them stepping on my show, clearly them never know me. Sometimes the day is alone. He bodied it. You bodied it.
You went mad.
Cool. Body.
The pulsating rhythm on the Underdog remix is courtesy of Jamaican producer Izzy, are you kidding me? Who became popular for producing Coffee's global hit single Toast, and Nigerian London-based producer P2J Music. Now, music lovers, this weekend we're going retro. This Saturday night, Fame 95 FM, Radio Jamaica 94 FM and RETV will go live from 9 p.m. to midnight with a retro frequency. It's a virtual 80s, 90s and 2000s party. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.